Hello guys, we're here at a Holiday Inn in, where are we? Below Leonardtown?
Busby, I think?
Almost.
Hold on, let me find out what we are.
Anyway, we're in Calvert County, Maryland.
Stay tuned, we'll find out what city we're in.
Okay, so, that was still leveling as it was. And you got your Series 1. A very vandalized Series 1 for an interior of a hotel. This is the South Wing elevator. Another 7002T. Wow, you can see just how yellowed this piece of plastic got over the years.
Solomon's.
Solomon's. Okay.
We're in Solomon's, Maryland.
Neat Pepsi machine.
$2. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, it is. I love my Pepsi, but not that much. What was that?
Piece of paper I had in my pocket from earlier.
Let's take a look at this certificate. It doesn't say county. Yeah, Calvert. You're back down at 2. Well, let's go take a look at the other set of elevators. Just across the way. It looks like a pool down there.
I can't tell, is it? I think it isn't.
It's a courtyard of some sort. There's another 7002T with an Ellen Co. pole.
Yeah, that's just a courtyard. That's a very faded looking one, too.
Hey, they got the good vending machines here. Oh, wow. That's some of my favorite tuna.
Bumblebee.
I love it in those little snack packs. Marina.
Marina.
Let's go outside and take a look.
Oh, it's that. Ooh, it stinks out here.
Woo, yeah.
Yeah.
Not going out there.
Smells like egg farts.
Egg farts.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got different indicators here.
Different elevators.
Ooh.
Now the question is, okay, same fire alarms.
Wow, there's an annunciator back here too. To turn it on and off.
I think this is going to be fun. I mean, those look old. I'll let this gentleman out.
Maryland National.
Yeah, that's different. That's very vintage up there.
I give it the 80s.
That 3 and that 5 look like they've been written back in. Where do you want to go? Down to 1?
Yep.
Hello.
That's a little condescending.
What? Actually, I think we're just descending, not condescending.
No, never mind.
Oh, okay. That door must remain closed.
Oh, wow. A 7002T with a projector horn.
Wow. I've never seen that before.
That is so strange.
That is the strangest thing I've ever seen.
That is so weird.
Hold on, I have to do this. Hold on.